7. So performing a Tahitian number, please put your hands together for Elaine Wong-see representing Heilani Polynesian School of Arts. So, Miss Elaine, can you just tell us a bit more about your performing arts school and why you felt like why did you start it up? That's a better question.
Well, it actually originated in Brisbane, Australia. Sorry, I just got to catch my breath.
You just catch your breath and...
Well, the founders were Heimana and Leilani Tahiata. We have tutors Waiana and Whati Tangata, and they're still originated in Brisbane. I lived there for 2 years, and I had to move back, and they gave me the opportunity to open a branch here. So I'm very passionate about cultural dancing, about any form of dancing, and I'd like to share it with everyone else. So please come along. It's next Friday. We have classes on 169 London Street, and it's Hawaiian, Tahitian, and Samoan.
Awesome. Now, if you want a body like this, I suggest you go to the classes. 30 minutes a day, some vigorous workouts, you'll look like that. 30 minutes a day at KFC, you'll look like this. So, I know that, another part that we need more funding into is PI health. Hey, they're trying to get this obesity and everything else, but hey, love your body. Love the body you have. It's the only one you've got. But hey, Zumba, hot hula, so hot hula, swing it, woo. Now, that's a good workout. Now, if you hold your tummy in, come on, oh, you can't do it, but if you hold your tummy in, right, you can feel those abs just roll away, roll away. So if you do this for an hour, whether you're at home, going to school, washing the dishes, mowing the lawn, I'm sure at least something will drop if it's not your, hey, something. So, hey, get down to Elaine's Performing Arts. Thank you very much.